by Nature was started by two female moon beings who are strong practitioners and supporters of better health mentally, spiritually, and also physically. Naturally, the human body is supposed to be treated with love and care, and these products that we sell do just that. There is nothing like using what naturally comes from the earth to maintain better health. Our products are made of all natural ingredients, void of harsh chemicals, and promote healthy, glowing skin and hair for people worldwide. You can also find us on Instagram at 9by Nature. Thank you for supporting, and we thank you for shopping with 9by Nature.